straight way, the way of those on whom thou hast bestowed thy grace. Those portion is not rest, and do not astray. Our Lord, give us good in this world, and good in thereafter, and save us from the torment of the fire. Our Lord, increase us in knowledge.
Request you all to stand upright and sing along with.
लगते आती है दुआ बन के तमन्ना मेरी, जिंदगी शम्मा की सूरत हो खुदाया मेरी.
Make us aware of our duties towards our nation, so I request Rufeda Fatma from class 9th A to lead us with the pledge. I term forward for national pledge. India is my country, and all Indians are my brother and sister. I love my country, and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give respect to my parents, teachers, and all elders, and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I place my devotion in their well-being and prosperity, and long lives with my happiness. Put your hands down. Thank you. Have a good day.
Student of 9th A, today thought your degree is just piece of paper. Your real education is in your behavior. Thank you. Have a nice day.
For a short speech.
I am Nida Fatima, student of class 2nd A. Today I want to deliver a short speech. Knowledge is power. Without knowledge we cannot achieve anything. Anything we are enjoying nowadays. This is power of knowledge. I love my school. Thank you.
Ahmed Faraz of class 10B today thought the future is depend on you what you do today. I repeat once again, the future is depends on you what you do today. Thank you. Have a